Hey everybody, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Dave. This is my 2016 Ram 1500. Also over there is my 2004 C5 Corvette. So if you're into Ram content or Corvette content, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. And then for today's video, we are going to be talking about this new Billet American flag hitch cover that I got from HMC Billet. It's really great quality, so I just wanted to show you it in case it's something that you'd be interested in as well. So let's get into it. So this is the HMC Billet aluminum American flag hitch cover. This plate in front is billet aluminum. The actual hitch receiver is powder coated steel. So a very high quality made product. As you can see, it's finished in black and gray. Kind of goes with the overall theme that I'm going with for the truck. Has a nice little foam here for when you do put it onto the hitch receiver. It doesn't, you know, like jiggle around and make too much noise. It does come with its own pin here so that you can put it in, but I did pick up a locking pin from Curt, and this is the actual model that I picked up, the 23518 hitch lock. This way just nobody can now steal the flag. And of course HMC has different styles. This is the style that I picked up just to go with the theme. They do have ordinary, you know, red, white, and blue, and then also just other different styles of flags. And then the one last thing about the flag, this is their 4x6 inch flag. They do have a 3x5, and obviously there's other manufacturers out there that make similar flags. But again, this is just well made, so just wanted to make that, you know, obvious in the video that this isn't something cheap and plasticky. This is actually really well made. Put that pin in because of that foam. You do have to push on this a little bit. There we go. There we go. Alright, and now we can put our lock in and lock this down. There we go. So now that's not going anywhere. And I really do just enjoy the overall look of that flag. Again, the black and the gray goes along with just the overall theme of black and white for the entire truck. If you've been with me for a while, you know last year, or actually this past year, I got the Ronin Factory 50 cal bullet. I have a video on that. Now, we'll put a link down in the description to HMC's website so you can pick these up. That is the cheapest place that I found it. This particular model, the 4x6, is $35 with $8 shipping, so $43. The 3x5 is $5 cheaper. And then I'll put another link in the description for where I got this Curt hitch lock off of Amazon. I think this was $13 or $14. It's on sale currently. So that's going to do it for today's video. Now this might be my last upload before Christmas, so I just wanted to say Merry Christmas to everyone. This year has been a very successful year for myself on the channel. I've grown from pretty much like 1,000 subscribers almost all the way to 2,500 in 1 year. So thank you to everybody. Again, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's again if I don't put out a video between Christmas and New Year's. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.